One of the things that I mentioned, and it goes into the first topic of this shift update, that I mentioned probably about 4 or 5 months ago. I first started mentioning it. It had to do with the, as I was calling it, the 11 after the hour portal. And I gave examples of how to set up the reminders on your phone and so on to remind you that it's 11 minutes past the hour. And I haven't really mentioned it in the last few months, but I am still continuing with this. Not necessarily probably as many times a day that I was before when I first started for those first few months, but I am continuing with focusing on, say, love without conditions to the whole of the planet on all levels, to all beings in all forms at 11 past the hour. Of course, you all can do it as much as you feel drawn to do, but I feel it's a very important thing for us to be radiating pure love without conditions to the whole of the planet on all levels, as I mentioned, and also to all beings in all forms. Therefore, you're covering pretty much everything that exists here on Earth without conditions, not excluding, say, oh, well, those beings or these people or whatever does not deserve my love and everything else. It's letting go of those judgments and basically just radiating love to the whole of the planet. We got so many changes going on right now, energetically shifting. It's monumental how much change and different things that are currently going on around the planet right now. So I still feel that it is very beneficial for us to be doing this on a regular basis. And as the original idea for creating this after 11 after the hour portal, whatever you want to call it, is to create this wave. The more people that are able to join in and do it at different times of the day, it's almost like a continuous wave that goes around the planet. The more people that are participating, the more that it benefits the whole of us here on Earth and everything that exists here. So again, if you feel drawn to that, I think it's a great thing to participate in.